I'm Matt and I'm on a roof again. So before you start your inspection, you need to go in the house and turn on the washer and the dryer. We always test them. The exhaust fan for the bathroom and the dishwasher. There's probably something else I missed, but at least those items. And then you go outside and you can check to see if the dryer's working, because you can feel the warm air coming out of the vent. This one is the kitchen exhaust. You can probably hear that coming out really good. This is the bathroom exhaust, and this one you can't hear because it's a much slower fan and it doesn't move as much air. And what you got to do is lick the back of your hand, and then you can feel the air coming out. I can't feel the air right now, but if I lick the back of my hand, then you can feel it. So then you know it's connected. It's not just blowing the air into the attic like it's not supposed to. Okay? And while we're up here, we always check from here to the utility pole, and the tree branches are rubbing on the wire, and that needs to be fixed. I did an inspection for a fireman one time, and he says, I asked him about that. He said, oh yeah, that's one of the biggest calls we get. So check all those items, guys.